We came up with the name ConnexiCore because we like to connect core technologies. Fly, upload, analyze, present. We take that tagline very seriously. Flying is a portion of the project. If you don't have the right drone and the right pilot, you're not going to fly that mission correctly and give the best deliverables. We are very passionate. My background is a military background in aviation. I've worked in software sales. I've run software companies just about my entire adult life after getting out of the military. My team's background is a video background. So we've been in video sales and we have the business acumen of working with Fortune 500 companies. My main focus with this business is to really become a company that's easy to do business with. We get a lot of clients that say, wow, your customer service is fantastic. We filled out a web form and we got a response immediately. And you were able to schedule an on-site drone flight very quickly for us. In fact, we find that a lot of our early clients came to us and contracted with us because they had some unusual drone mission for us. In many cases, we would take on the mission knowing that nobody else was going to take on the mission, and we were able to respond very quickly with a competitive price. Drones right now are harvesting these companies from all over the world, and the companies really are big on just delivering something different that the drone can now take, digest, and spit out in a format where it's easy to actually make actionable insights out of this data. We like to have a relationship. Our pilots are trained. We have regular meetings with our pilot network with regards to finding out what's going on in the marketplace. How much can we help? Do you need some assistance? Our pilots, we typically factor in a 30% dollar value, where your typical drone services aggregator, and there's a lot of them out there, they'll take any drone pilots, they're drone pilot collectors, and they'll put them in their network and they claim to have 10,000 pilots, but ultimately, do those pilots have a relationship with the company? We like to treat our pilots like people versus just numbers.